Hello student, welcome back to maths class. Today we learn here topic addition. Now also revised here addition, subtraction tables. Okay. In the addition, how to do the addition of two-digit number. Okay. See. Two-digit number means two numbers come all together. There is a ones number and tens number. There is a ones number also and tens number also. Now see here how to do the addition. See here 31 plus 27. 1 plus 7, 8. 3 plus 2, 5. Understand? How to do the addition? You start from the ones place. You start from the ones place. You start from the your hands right side. Your hands right side. Then go to the back. Don't go to the this type. Okay. First you add their ones, then you add their tens. It is a use for the addition also, subtraction also, and multiplication also. When you write, that time you start from the ones place. In the division, you start from the first number, whichever 100 place, thousands place, 10,000 place, whichever place is there, you start from the there. Next one, see tens and ones. 26 plus 42. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2. 7, 8. Write on ones place 8. 2 plus 4, 6. 2 plus 4, 6. Next one, tens and ones. 33 plus 56. 3 plus 6. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 plus 5, 8. 78 plus 20. 8 plus 0, 8. 7 plus 2, 9. 98. You write there 98. Okay. All of you understand how to write? Now 20 plus 20. When you add their 0, that time any one number add their 0, that time your answer is that number itself. That number itself. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 2, 4. 60 plus 28. 0 plus 8, 8. 6 plus 2, 8. 79 plus 20. 9 plus 0, 9. 7 plus 2, 9. Understand? 40 plus 35. 0 plus 5, 5. 75 is there. Understand? All of you understand now how to do the addition? In the addition, first one number what you say? First addend. Second number what you say? Second addend. And answer, what you call the answer? sum. What you call the answer? Sum. Understand how to do? All of you understand now how to do the addition? If you given 110 example, you solve that one. Okay, you do the perfect. This is your base. Addition, subtraction is your base. This is your basic knowledge. When you go to the shop, that time 1, 2, 3 things you purchase there. Okay, you purchase there pen, pencil and eraser. And what you say the shopkeeper? What you say the shopkeeper? How much rupees of pen? 1 rupees. How much rupees of pen? 1 pencil. How much rupees? 1 eraser. How much rupees? Then you add all things. Then you add all rupees and then you give to the shopkeeper पैसे रुपीज. ओके, जब आप शॉप पे जाते एक दो थ्री कुछ भी खरीद लेते, मतलब आपने एक पेन खरीदा, एक पेंसिल खरीदी, एक इरेजर खरीदा और तब जब आपको उसका बिल देना होता है तब शॉपकीपर को आप क्या पूछते हैं? एक पेन कितने रुपीज़ का, एक पेंसिल कितने रुपीज़ की, एक इरेजर कितने रुपीज़ का. फिर सभी को तुम ऐड करते हो, फिर उस दुकानदार को आप पैसे देते हो या शॉपकीपर को आप पैसे देते हो. दैट टाइम which condition we used here in the maths? Which topic we used here? Addition. Which topic we used here? Addition. Understand? Now next one is there subtraction. Next one is there subtraction. Subtraction is the concept. Subtraction is the concept. Okay. In the subtraction, any one number minus their 0, that you got their answer, that number itself. That number itself. This one also you start from the ones place. 85 minus 43. 85 minus 43. You start from the ones place. Ones have a 5. 5 minus 3, 2. 8 minus 4, 4. Understand? Next one. Start from the ones, then go to the tens, then go to the hundreds, then go to the 1000, 10,000. Okay, but you start from the ones. In this question, first one number, what you call? First one number, minuend number. Minuend number means the number from which the other number is subtracted. Second number, what you call? Subtract. Subtract number. And answer, what you call? The difference. There is a difference. Next one, 97 minus 17. Any one number minus there, that number, answer is always 0. Now see here, ones have a 7. 7 minus 7, 0. 9 minus 1, 8. Understand? Next one, 53 minus 30. 3 minus 0, 3. 5 minus 3, 2. 65 minus 65. 5 minus 5, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. Next one, 58 minus 32. 8 minus 2, 6. 5 minus 3, 2. 76 minus 34. 76 minus 6 minus 4, 2. 7 minus 3, 4. 29 minus 18. 9 minus 8, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. Understand? All of you understand now? 47 minus 15. 7 minus 5, 2. 4 minus 1, 3. Now, here. In the addition, which word problem I say you when you go to the shop, you purchase their pen, pencil, eraser, and that time you ask their each things rupees. How much rupees is there? You all add there and then give to the money shopkeeper. To shopkeeper. Okay. Now, when you give to the money to the shopkeeper, that time these things price is there 50 rupees, but you have not there 50 rupees. That time you give to the shopkeeper 100 rupees note. 100 rupees note. That time what they do? What they do there? They 100 minus 50, because of your things cost is there 50 rupees. Your things cost is how much rupees there? 50. But how many extra given you rupees? 100 minus. That time you do the minus. That time you do the minus. 100 minus 50. So shopkeeper return you money 50 rupees. 50 rupees. Okay, from the shopkeeper you want money 50 rupees. Understand how to do the subtraction. Another example. Amol has 9 bananas. He gives 5 bananas his friend. How many bananas left with him? Amol have 9 bananas. But friends come to the home. That time he give to the it 5 bananas. How many bananas he have? 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 5, 4. Understand how to do the subtraction? In the subtraction, first one number what you call minuend number. Second one number what you call subtrahend number. And answer what you call difference. In the addition, first one number what you call first addend. Second one number what you call there? Second addend. And last answer what you call there? Sum. What you call there? Sum. Now we say here tables also. Okay. We say here tables. All of you by-headed table, yes or no? All of you by-headed their tables. Say the table 2 to 10. Okay. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50. 2 to 5 tables all of you by headed. If you by headed, write one time without notice, means don't see anywhere and write there. This type you said. Okay. Now we say here 6 to 10 table. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54, 6 10s are 60. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are 4, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63, 7 10s are 70. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72, 8 10s are 80. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81, 9 10s are 90, 10 1s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 10 3s are 30, 10 4s are 40, 10 5s are 50, 10 6s are 60, 10 7s are 70, 10 8s are 80, 10 9s are 90, 10 10s are 100. How to say, all of you understand the table? You by headed there this one table, okay, and write there 2 time in your notebook. Write in your 2 time in your notebook, and additions 5 example, subtractions 5 example you solve. This is your homework.